Isa, sige. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Nasa'yo ba to? Hindi mo naman sinabi nagka-live ka? Pasayaw-sayaw pa tayo dito. Hindi mo sinabi. Hindi niya sinasabi. Ginagawa-gawa niya yun. Hello po, naka-live pala siya. Hi, mag-hi kayo lahat. Okay, sige, balik na natin yun. Kaya pala may pag-ganong-ganong ka, hindi mo sa akin, sana nag-aapiso ka man? Okay, balik na natin. Hello po, tandaan natin ha, creamy yes, halo-halo, pag-inasal. Okay, siyempre pangalan natin?
Hello everyone, my name is Abrilada 1402, but you can call me Abby for short.
Okay. Abril, siyempre, party ka siguro ng isa dito. Saan club ka nabibilang?
I belong to the one and only JFM.
Alright. Abril, no? Abril, okay. What makes you deserving to win our competition for today?
Oh, I deserve to win the competition because I will make you happy every day.
Okay. Abril, what is your special skill and special talent for tonight's competition?
Oh, I will show it according to the competition.
Okay, very good. Abril, can you please walk? Show them the best catwalk, please. Walk tayo. Okay, very good, Abril. And ladies and gentlemen, where are you from?
I am from the heart of you.
Kung sino man nag-line up nito, pinag-isipan niya itong line up na to talagang okay. Si Abri talaga, okay. Abri, alam mo naman siguro ang sasabihin mo. Ano sasabihin mo?
Mang inasal, creamy yes, halo.
Okay. Sige, tandaan mo longest breath. Tignan natin kung kaya ng tapatan ang mga oras natin. Kasalukuyan mo 4 yung magkakatikit na score. 4. So let's do this. Abby, okay, kaya mo na to. In 3, 2, 1, go!
Mang inasal, creamy yes, halo.
Alright. Okay. Oh, wow! Ang didikit ng scores ninyo, grabe!